A lot of beginners in programming are asking, will AI take away all the junior developer jobs? For a company trying to save money, it's tempting to think, why hire someone new when AI seems faster and cheaper? Why companies rely on AI? From a company's point of view, AI is attractive for some very specific reasons. It can write boilerplate code, the repetitive setup that juniors often handled. It can generate unit tests in seconds, something that usually takes beginners hours. It can even suggest bug fixes without needing to research Stack Overflow for half a day. And unlike a human hire, AI doesn't need onboarding, benefits, or mentorship. If you're a manager under pressure, it's easy to say, let's just use AI instead of hiring juniors. What only humans can do. But here's where the picture changes. AI is great at producing code, but terrible at understanding problems. For example, it doesn't know why a feature matters to users, or how a change impacts the rest of the system. A junior developer, even at the very start, can talk to their team, ask clarifying questions, and adapt their work to business goals. AI also struggles with accountability. When something breaks in production, you can't ask AI to trace the root cause and explain why it happened. Juniors, on the other hand, can learn to debug, document, and communicate what went wrong. Those are essential skills that machines can't replicate. And let's not forget collaboration. Juniors join stand-ups, share progress, learn from feedback, and slowly become part of the knowledge base of a company. AI doesn't grow into a mid-level engineer or a tech lead, it just spits out code. Without juniors, companies cut off their own talent pipeline. How junior roles will evolve. So, what does this mean for the future? Junior jobs aren't disappearing, but they're evolving. Instead of spending weeks writing boilerplate, juniors will spend more time reviewing AI-generated code, spotting subtle errors, and making sure the code actually fits the real-world problem. They'll handle the messy parts of software development that AI can't, debugging unpredictable bugs, integrating multiple systems, talking to product managers, and shaping requirements. In fact, juniors who learn how to use AI effectively will likely grow faster. By offloading repetitive tasks, they can reach more complex challenges earlier in their careers. So no, AI won't replace junior developers. It'll change what the job looks like. Companies may lean on AI for speed, but they'll still need humans, especially juniors, for context, collaboration, and growth. If you're just starting out, don't compete with AI. Learn to work with it, and you'll be exactly the kind of developer companies need in the future.